Welcomed by the sleeping giants, I immerse myself in the water and harness the incredible energy of this wild sacred place, Valhalla, Nordic for heaven. In meditation, I give thanks for this sacred time and begin to sketch. The landscape reminds me of my homeland, Scotland, and I feel a great sense of comfort from this feeling and deep gratitude. The painting becomes a blessing from my Scottish heart. The light fades quickly, so I just sit in appreciation of the beauty and become one with water, earth, mountain, sky. Interestingly, when looking at the painting, I had no intention of painting a bird, and yet it was clear the next day that there was a giant hummingbird in the mountain, and the hummingbird representing joy. It's incredible how the landscape influences you on so many levels. I first ever came to this landscape many years ago. I could see ancient sleeping giants in the mountains, and here I am today unknowingly painting a giant hummingbird in my mountain.